and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie and I love any makeup, especially shiny, shifty, and sparkly eyeshadows. And today I'm very excited because I'm going to be talking all about the newest collaboration between Shroud and BattyBean, and that is the Hallobean eyeshadow palette. And here's what the outer packaging looks like. It's so cute. I absolutely love the little bats and the colors as well. And then here's the inside color story. This is their second collab. I didn't try out the first collaboration palette, but I'm very excited to try out this second one. I really love how different the color stories are. And thank you so much to Shroud Cosmetics for sending me this palette. Also got the little themed pins, and I just absolutely love these. These are so cute, and they look really high quality. So huge congratulations to you, BattyBean, as well as Shroud Cosmetics on a second successful collaboration. Let's get right into the 3 looks that I created with this palette, and then at the end of the video I'll give you some of my thoughts. Going in with It's Showtime right into my crease, and just gonna keep it kind of a third way in my crease and blending it upwards. A little bit more. Then taking Ghastly, and I'm going to create an eyeshadow wing. And I'm just taking it across the lid and underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to try to kind of feather out the edge of that just a little bit with the brush, just kind of swooping it across. And then a little bit more here. I feel like it's not sticking down in some areas. I might have missed those areas with the primer. Next I picked up Ghoulish and I misted my brush, and that's gonna go right onto my lid and a little bit into my crease, kind of layering it over the green as well as the dark blue. And then I'm going to go back in with this blending brush and just blend that. I think I'm going to go in with my finger just to get a little bit more directly kind of on the lid. And here's the first finished look. Taking Crypt into the crease. I'm taking about 2/3 of the way in my crease. First kind of putting it down, and then I'm going to start blending it up. Did wipe my brush off just a little bit. Just slowly working it up. Then I'm taking a Loser's Club. It's going to go on the outer corner. We'll be creating a triangle shape. I take a little bit of Wicked onto the direct outer corner, and going back in with Loser's Club, and I'm just going to go back and forth between these two and kind of smoke it out a little bit out here. Whipped up my brush and going back in. Laying down some of the Fair Name Pixie Epoxy, going in with Woodsboro. It's going to be such a fall look. And then I'm going to take Afterlife on the inner portion. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more Crypt, but just keeping it kind of above where I put the shimmer. Taking Loser's Club underneath my lower lash line, and then a little bit of Wicked. Going in with Crypt right onto the inner lid and inner crease. I'm just going to be blending it up and just adding on a bit more. Taking Ghastly on the outer corner, and this shade is very hard pressed, which I noticed when I was using it on the other side, so I would actually probably try to pick it up with a even denser brush, something a little bit more like this one. This is the Refer 12 brush, so I'm going to use that to pack it down first. But even then, it's really hard pressed. And then I'm gonna just use whatever's left on this brush to help blend out the edge. kind of add on a little bit more if I feel like it. And then I'm taking that shade and extending it underneath my lower lash line. But I'm not going to take it all the way, I'm just going to take it about halfway. Taking a clean brush and a little bit of setting powder and just going over the edges out here, and then I'm going to go back in with the other brush and whatever is left on it and just go back in. Put on the Pret-a-Porter lashes from Kiss. In the waterline I have the Baked eyeliner from Melt Cosmetics, and I'm gonna just pop in Ghoulish into my inner corner just very lightly. And here's the third finished look. Color story wise, I think you can really create just such a spectrum of different kinds of looks because of all the different colors in here. I absolutely love the shade up here. It's such an interesting tone. It is a little bit harder pressed, so it does take a little bit of building up, but if anything, that makes it a bit more user-friendly. Now, I haven't tried all of the Shroud Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. I do have the Creepy Cute 1 and the Creepy Cute 2, and that has been kind of the extent of the eyeshadows that I've tried from them. I do have a couple of single eyeshadows as well, actually. They're really good at creating some interesting toned eyeshadows, so this is my first time trying out their shimmers, and there are 3 multi-chrome shades in here. This one is definitely the most shiftiest. It is quite a bit of a jeweled kind of multi-chrome with a very, very dark base to it, and then Ghoulish is definitely more like a iridescent sheer kind of multi-chrome. Now these are overall not like the shiniest shimmers that I own, but they are really nice and smooth and just kind of like a trustworthy shimmer formula. And I think you're getting a good spectrum of shimmers in terms of you have one that you can kind of play with and layer and use as an inner corner highlight. I'm really glad that I got to try this palette out, and once again, huge congratulations on this amazing collaboration. I can't wait to see what's next. And of course, as always, let me know in the comments below if you picked this palette up or if you plan on it. I would love to hear your thoughts. And that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup content, lots and lots of indie brands and multi-chromes supporting my channel, and much more to come. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.